The clutch clevis is screwed into the end of the clutch cable and attaches to a lever arm with a snap retaining pin. You're working in the footbox area here. It's very narrow, there is not a lot of space. Removal of the pin is not always easy, but can be accomplished with a little bit of patience. Be careful not to drop the snap retainer, as it may be difficult to fish out of the area directly below. Check the arm and make sure that the cable has not worn a groove into it. These arms are known as a weak point, and sometimes the movement of the cable can wear right through the arm. If that is the case, you will need to remove the pedal box to replace the arm. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Next, you're going to need to get underneath the vehicle, so you're going to need to safely raise and support it. For additional assistance with that task, please follow the link at the end as well. Shown here is the underside of a 1977 to 86 915 transmission. The clutch cable is attached on a long lever arm that is assisted in its travel by a horseshoe-shaped helper spring or an omega spring. This spring gives the clutch some of its snap-in feel when it's engaged. The long lever arm on a small lever that is connected directly to the throw-out arm and throw-out bearing. Backlash on the smaller arm is removed by the small coil spring that removes slack from the system. When installing the new clutch cable, make sure that the cable is mounted securely within its fittings against the firewall. If the cable is not mated properly, then the clutch will fall out of adjustment the first time you press on the pedal. Now we need to adjust the cable. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for step-by-step instructions on that. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.